Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to accept a Cash App request. First, open the Cash App on your smartphone or tablet. Look for the green icon with a white dollar sign. Once the app is open, tap on the Activity tab, which looks like a clock icon, usually found at the bottom right of your screen. This tab displays all your recent transactions and pending requests. After tapping the Activity tab, you'll see a list of all your transactions. Find the specific request you want to accept. It will typically show the sender's name and the amount they are requesting. Tap on this request to open it and review all the details. Always double-check the sender and the amount to ensure it's correct and from someone you know. This helps prevent any accidental payments. Once you've reviewed the request and confirmed it's accurate, you'll see an Accept button. Tap this button to initiate the transfer. For security, Cash App will prompt you to confirm the payment using your PIN, Touch ID, or Face ID. After successful authentication, the requested funds, whether it's $5 or $50, will be immediately added to your Cash App balance, ready for use. After accepting, you can check your Cash App balance on the main screen to confirm the funds have been received. The transaction will also appear in your Activity tab as completed. If you encounter any issues, like a delay in funds or an incorrect amount, navigate to the Support section within the app for assistance. Always be cautious and only accept requests from people you know and trust to maintain your account security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.